Uh-oh.
Laura.
Daddy bought you something. What is on your face? Ew. Look, Daddy bought you something. Ooh. What is that? Open it. What? 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 Let's see. What is it? You want to? What is it? Yes, it's a car. Whoa, Laura. Uh-oh. What is it, Laura? Ooh, let's see. Yes. Whoa. Yes, look at it. It's an L.O.L Surprise City Cruiser. Whoa, and it comes with an exclusive doll. Look at that.
Open.
You want to open? Daddy, can you help her open?
Daddy, we should open.
Do you want something to drink? Here, drink something. You thirsty? Well, Daddy's going to open it for you.
Daddy, we should open.
Uh-oh. What is this? Ooh. Yes, what is it? Ooh, we'll have to see. Are you trying to open it?
Yes, you open.
What is that?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
Don't know. You should know.
What is it? Uh-oh. Ooh, what is that? I don't know what it is. What is it? Ooh, it's the key. Is that the key?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's little accessories. It's not actually key. It's little accessories. Let me see it. Show it. Let me see.
Dad.
Ooh, that's a glass. Oh, those are. Ooh. You like the glasses? Let me see the glasses.
I open.
Yeah. You want Daddy to open that for you? Daddy, can you
Daddy,
open?
we should open.
Daddy, please open.
Daddy, we should open.
Ooh, let me see it. Let's see. Let's see the baby.
We'll keep the baby.
Really? What color is it, Laura?
Pit.
Yeah, that one is pink. Is there any other color that you see?
Keep the baby.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh. Ooh, look at this. Oh, are you putting on the glasses?
Hi.
Whoa.
Dada. Dada.
Ooh, Laura's putting it together. The other way. Okay. Poke it all the way in. Good job. Uh-oh. You have to push it all the way in hard. Maybe that one goes on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
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 Push it in all the way. Good job, Ma. Yes.
Dada.
What happened?
Baby wanting mommy.
The baby wants a mommy?
Yes.
I think.
Mommy. No.
So what do you think, Laura? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. What is this? What is that?
Baby has shoes.
Baby has the shoes? Okay, put on the baby shoes. Can you put the baby shoes on?
Baby has shoes.
Really? Uh-oh. Maybe you can try the other foot? Maybe the other foot.
No.
No? Oh, I guess you're right. Okay, put the other shoe. Uh-oh. Is the shoes on? Oh, it doesn't look like it's on.
Ah.
Oh, I know. Try again. He said if at first you don't succeed,
Mine.
you have to keep trying.
Oh.
Almost.
It's cute.
You can't. Let's see it. So, you're more into the door. What about the car, Laura? Look at the keys. Look at the keys. Here, put the keys in the car. Put the keys in the car. It goes right here. Let's see.
This. Oh. Ah.
Put the keys right in the car.
ABCD. The dog.
Uh-oh. Push it all the way in. Ooh, nice. And is this supposed to start the car? Ooh. Okay. Now put the baby in the car. Let the baby. Yeah, remember safety. What about the seatbelt? Look at this. Okay. Where are you going? Let's see. You gonna put it on the floor?
Yes.
Whoa. So Laura, do you like it?